Sonic, don't you think it's too late to be doing this?
Not really. I mean, we gotta get out there. Chucky, Jasper, where are you?
Come in. Yeah, what's the rush?
Nothing really. It's just really dark and...
Sonic, are you okay?
Yeah,
Someone call him, please. Who's that? Apollo!
Oh, you.
Hey!
I haven't seen you in a long time.
Yeah.
Same.
Hey, Pelican. Yeah? No, hey guys. Hey. Can you go get the Dimensionator so I can show it to him?
Dimensionator?
What's that?
So me and the group found some, I used it from some, the flower.
Didn't yours die, though?
Yeah, mine died, though.
Like ours.
We now have powers in a Chaos Emerald.
Yeah.
It's, supposed to, when you click this button, it's supposed to get you in different dimensions.
Oh,
Ooh.
does it?
But sometimes
I wouldn't press it.
Yeah, let me turn this off. So, yeah.
Oh, you remember Chucky and Jasper, right?
Yeah, hey, Chucky, hey, Jasper.
Hey.
Oh, hey.
Yeah. So yeah.
Guys, wait up. Did you see that?
Oh yeah.
Wait, see what?
It's coming closer. Huh?
Oh, Tails, watch out!
Oh!
Tails! Sonic the Hedgehog Plush, Nature's Warriors, Chapter 9, Clones. It's so dark. Tails! No, Tails. Tails, are you okay?
I don't know. What hit me?
I don't know.
Sonic! Are you okay?
It's just an arrow. What's that?
Good, because I thought we were in real...
Tails! What are these? Get out of my hair. They're sending back. Grab them. They might have taken our DNA. Get back here. No. Tails! We lost them.
Where'd they go?
I don't know.
We have to find them.
I don't know, but could have took our DNA. We need to keep a close eye out.
Yeah.
Let's get back with the group. Robotnik Enterprises, scanning in DNA. Building clones. Do you want these robo-clones of the people you have scanned to be fully made? Yes! Robo-Sonic clone, Robo-Tails clone. Get out there!
Yes, Master.
Are you guys okay? Yeah, we're fine.
I saw you. You got hit pretty far.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure the arrows took some of our blood samples.
Yeah, I saw those.
I felt it.
It hurt. What is going on? My guess is now that I know that Eggman's behind this, it had to have been him.
Uh-huh. Something bad could really happen to you guys.
Yeah. So we just gotta keep an eye out.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Didn't that hurt for you guys? Because it did for me.
a lot.
But you didn't even get hit.
Oh, yeah, right. I'm just acting...
What the?
Are you mentally hurt that I got hurt?
Yeah.
Whatever. Confusing.
Anyway, let's go fix some things.
Yeah, let's go make sure the town's okay and restore some things.
All right, come on, guys. Let's go.
Midnight working. I like the sound of that. Yeah, come on.
Okay, the town looks good over here.
Yeah.
Let me go fix up this shaft over here.
Hey, Sonic.
Yeah?
I forgot to ask. But whatever happened to Knuckles? We haven't seen
him yet, I guess.
We haven't seen him since we were in jail. He was training you.
Well, I haven't seen you since.
I don't know. He's out there somewhere with the rest of them.
Yeah. I hope he's okay.
I hope Pasquale's okay.
Chucky, did you cover the other side?
Yep, everything looks good over here. Hey, okay. Thanks, guys.
Do you think we should try over there?
I mean...
We'll go talk it over with the crew. Come on. Hey, guys.
Oh, hey.
Yeah? What's up?
Well, there's this dark side of town. We're gonna probably go check it out. You guys wanna come?
Cool, dark side of town.
Okay. Sounds quite shady, but sounds good to
I
me.
like dark sides of towns. Like, I'm gonna have to see Granny Pro for this.
Okay. Anyways, let's go! Yeah.
Let's go!
All right.
All right, guys. We're here.
Yep.
Luckily, it's
Apollo, where you at?
it's
Right
illuminated by this big street light.
Yeah.
I
Otherwise,
got this heavy dimensionator.
Oh, great.
but the other side, not so much.
I don't know if I want to go over there, Sonic. Yeah, neither do
I think we should just go back.
This looks like an old basketball court.
You know what? I'm brave enough
Hey,
to check.
maybe we could find some
I'm brave enough
basketballs.
to go check over there.
And hey, maybe we could donate them.
Whoa, whoa!
What?
Oh, are those plush toys?
Jasper, what's going on?
Jasper should be hiding.
Jasper, what's going on? Jasper, get down from there!
Clones!
Clones? What do you mean? Jasper, cut it out! Chucky, no!
Put me down!
We've found our targets. Now to eliminate them. Grab the arrows. Yes.
Get away from them!
Who are you?
We are Robotnik clones. What are you doing? We come to destroy.
Clones!
We come to eliminate you. Order from Dr. Robotnik.
Street! Apollo!
Help!
I'll get you!
Ow! Ow! What the heck are you doing? Wait, my electric tail. I hope it still works. Here, take that. I think it worked.
Wait a minute, what is happening? I just walked back from here and...
Clones. Ow!
Where's the dimensionator?
Oh, get it now!
Get out of here!
I don't know where it last was.
What do you want, Tails clone?
When I get
To defeat you for Dr. Robotnik.
when I get the dimensionator, you'll be sorry.
Who calls him Robotnik? Chucky, no!
What do you want? You asked me that twice. Yeah! Get closer to me and I'll eliminate you!
Chucky!
Wait!
Where are you?
Where's Chucky?
I think he's gone missing.
Sonic! I'm scared. Where's Jasper?
Not as scared as you should be.
Stay close.
I'm
Chucky!
turning this on red mode.
Oh, God.
I'm gonna test it on you, Tails.
Ow! Jasper!
I need to put it on. Now I'm gonna shoot it at the clone sign.
Chucky! Oh no! Jasper! Help! Huh? I'm stuck up here. I got scared from the clones. Oh no! I'll help you! Oh, thanks, Tails. You know what? It's best if you stay over here, away from the clones. Oh, thanks. I'll stay over here. All right, I'm gonna go kick clone butt.
Tails.
Ow!
Are you the clone?
No.
Good.
Oh.
He's over there. The Sonic clone.
I'll go get him.
Okay. I'll just stay here with Jasper.
Sounds good.
circuits really.
Get out! You're a fake Sonic!
You have done enough harm to me, and I get you,
And-
Dr. Eggman.
Come on, Tails, work! Get out!
I don't know who to battle, but can I battle someone?
Yeah. Not me. Not me.
Apollo!
I thought he was a clone Sonic. Sorry.
No, this is the pro.
Oh, you?
Anybody? I have a plan. They're knocked out for a minute. Come over here. Is everybody okay? This is our first real battle.
I'm alright.
So, what we're gonna have to do is battle them a lot more. Then Tails, I want you to push them into the nearest puddle. Only Sonic.
So this is really our first battle.
So what do I do?
Oh man, why do we have to get involved at the danger?
Listen, this is good. This is good. This is good training. But what we need first is to get that.
Okay, so
Guys,
what do I
I'm
do?
going to get him now!
Okay.
I have the Dimensionator. What do I do?
Stay still.
Get out of my way!
Negative.
I'm sorry.
Hey you! Clone Sonic! Get over!
Let me down.
No! Such what you get for coming around us! Get in there! Break, you clone! And I never want to see your face in Green Hill again! This is our place! Where are you going? I didn't say you could leave!
Report back to Dr. Eggman.
That's right, leave! Ha! We got him! Come on, let's go back to Sonic!
Tails, did you get him?
Yeah! I did! The plan worked just as we wanted it to.
Is he dead?
I don't know. He's over there laying there. I think he's pretty messed up. Hey, but where's the Tails?
Let's go find him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to go out with you, Sonic.
All right.
I'm feeling brave.
All right. Thanks, Jasper.
Apollo, you got the Dimensionator ready?
Yeah, I got it on red mode.
Awesome.
Here he is.
He's over there.
Looks quite knocked out. You ready, Jasper?
I think I am.
Hold on. Let me put my shoes to the test.
Oh!
Come on, let's take him to the puddle.
I don't know what you want with me.
On red mode.
See him.
Jasper, sit down.
Oh, what do you
Stay there. You are going. I will electrocute you until your circuits are all gone. Or I throw you in a puddle. Or you walk away from this and never report back to Dr. Eggman.
report back?
Ah! Yeah!
Is that done? Is it done?
Team Sonic forever!
Yeah!
Woohoo!
Oh, we did it!
We did it!
We did
Awesome, guys!
Woo!
Great! Awesome. We got rid of the clones. And if we can face two robotic things, I think we're ready to face Eggman.
Hey, guys, I just booked us some hotel stays. You just want to head over there now?
Yeah! Come on, let's go.
We're tired.
Come on, Jasper.
Yeah, I'm tired. My whole body hurts.
I'm not too tired to run, though.
Oh, wait up! Wow.
I can't believe we just did this.
Come on, guys, let's go!
Wait, is this area cleared, though? Wait, here, I have this scanner. Area cleared.
Ha, yes!
There's little robots fixing things, and they can't be hacked.
All right.
How'd you make that? My animatronic skills.
Let me plant some these seeds. These seeds are electric like plant things. And
Oh.
when robots see them, they go bonkers.
All right, let's go. Come on, guys.
1 second, let me plant these seeds. Okay, let's go!
Yeah! Dr. Robotnik, I failed my mission.
Is the Sonic Clone?
I've only slightly weakened the target. I will report back to you immediately. I have their location.
Where is Robo Sonic?
Getting him now, sir.
He's not giving me any signals. Now take him back to the base and meet with me. It's time for a little upgrade. Eggman's back, baby!